Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I got a brand new Philips Crystal Vision Platinum up to 60% brightness. It's original 1914 quality equipment, powerful performance, brilliant white light, 87 CBP S2. My Mitsubishi Outlander headlight, the low beam, as you see, the light already been busted. You see the wire, it's already blown out, and I replace it by getting this new. This is the actual unit. Once you open the box, it's a good product. If you guys never try to buy a Philips Crystal Vision Platinum 87 CBP S2, the beam performance of this type of product is up to 60% than the standard headlights. It's a 12 volts, 55 watts. The light color, yeah, it's up to 4,000K to 4,300K. It's a good product, and it's average lifetime which can last for a long years to come, that you are able to use this. This product can last up to more than 800 hours of use, and it's a good product. I've been using this type of product, the Philips 87. I got this from Walmart. You can buy this online. I got this for $33 pair for the two headlights. The only headlights that I have a problem is the passenger side that has already been busted. As you see, the wire has already been blown out, and I need to replace it with the new 87. Once you buy, make sure that they have the same pin as the back of the original. If I look at it, I compare it, they are the same. The Philips is made in Poland, while this original headlight made in Germany, but it's designed in Germany. You can see the back of this steel plate. If you guys are thinking how the polarity goes for this type of headlight, for you guys are new and doesn't have any idea and are afraid to remove the headlights, because you guys might probably think, oh my goodness, where's the negative polarity and the positive polarity? For your guys' information, I would like to point out with you guys that this is steel plate to the back. This is what? This is the negative, and this is the positive. These two prongs is these are positive, and this is the negative. So this goes to the body of the headlight. Okay, so you just attach it, and I show you guys. You can watch my channel how I remove the headlight of my Mitsubishi Outlander 2018. It's applicable also to those who has a Hyundai car, or either Kia or Mitsubishi Outlander Sports or Outlander. The both are the same headlights. They use this kind of halogen light, and it's a good headlight that you can use. Mine is 2018, and I put almost 83,000 miles to my car. That's the reason why the original headlight bulb, it's already been busted. This, you see, I don't know if you guys are able to see the busted wire. And this is the new one. The newer one is the blue color, but once it turn on the headlight, it gives you a bright white color or a light color. It's brighter up to 60% of lights. I'm gonna attach, and I'm going to remove the extra headlight bulb, which is okay, but I'm going to remove the other one and replace it with Philips made in Poland, which I got from Walmart.com for $35. You guys can buy also from Amazon, but it costs more. And if you guys buy this kind of headlight from Mitsubishi dealership. It costs more than $200. I asked the O'Reilly and Orson. They said similar to this headlight, one piece only, it costs $100. So I decided to look around online, and I came across and I got this new headlights. Which is our pair for my headlights. So I hope you guys learn with this type of headlights, the 87 Philips Crystal Vision Platinum. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, again, I point out to you guys, this is not a Chinese knockoff. This is made in Poland. A very good product, as you see. Made in Poland, designed in Germany. Okay, but the original one is made in Germany. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. I'm sorry for the background that my dog is barking right now. Thanks for stopping by. God bless. Bye for now.